Hi guys, so today we are diving deep into the heart of biryani making with a truly special and authentic recipe, Kacchi Biryani. Kacchi Biryani is where raw marinated meat meets uncooked rice and slow cooked to absolute perfection. The raw method infuses the dish with an unparalleled depth of flavor, giving you incredibly tender meat and fragrant, separate grains of rice. It's a labor of love, but the results absolutely divine. We'll be using traditional dum technique, sealing our pot to tap all that wonderful steam and let the flavors melt together in their own time. This is what gives Kacchi Biryani its signature richness and melt in your mouth texture. So now let's begin. So first keep water for boiling. Cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 1-inch cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 8 cloves, 8 green cardamom, 2 bay leaves. Add some salt to taste. Then add 2 cups basmati rice washed and soaked for about 30 minutes. And then give it a nice mix. And cover it and cook it until the rice is 60% cooked. Then take 600 grams chicken cut in medium pieces, add some salt to taste. Add 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half cup yogurt, 1 cup fried onion, 2 stock cube, half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon garam masala, 2 green chilies chopped. Add handful of chopped coriander leaves, handful of chopped mint leaves, and give it a nice mix and marinate it for about 1 hour. Then check on the rice. As you can see that the rice is cooked about 60% now. Then simply strain the rice. Then simply add the marinated chicken in a hot pan. And add about 4 tablespoons cooking oil. And then add the cooked rice. And spread it nicely. Then add 1/4 cup saffron water. Add some fried onion. Add 1 teaspoon kevra water, 1 teaspoon rose water, 3 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Add some chopped mint leaves. 2 to 3 pinch of garam masala powder, and then simply cover it with silver foil. Cover it and cook on a high flame for 5 minutes and then cook on a low flame for 40 minutes. So the Kacchi Biryani is ready. And there you have it guys, a truly authentic and flavorful Kacchi Biryani. I hope you enjoyed this culinary journey into the heart of biryani cooking. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how your biryani turned out. Please do like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. I hope you will recreate this authentic dish in your own kitchen. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.